I'm Stacey West from FundCalibre, and in this video we'll explore the benefits of multi-asset funds for beginner investors. As the name suggests, multi-asset funds are investment funds that can invest in a number of different asset classes, such as equities, bonds, commodities, property, and various other specialist assets. There are four main reasons why multi-asset funds can be an excellent choice for beginners. The first is diversification. Multi-asset funds offer built-in diversification by investing in a variety of asset classes. This diversification helps reduce the impact of any single investment's performance on your overall portfolio. Next is risk management. By spreading investments across different asset classes, multi-asset funds can help manage the risk. When one asset class underperforms, others may perform better, providing a cushion against market volatility. Next is professional management. Instead of having to think about how much to invest in each asset class and constantly reviewing your portfolio, the joy of a multi-asset fund is that a professional investor does this for you, adjusting the mix according to the market environment. Lastly is convenience. Investing in multi-asset funds is convenient for beginners. You can start with a relatively small amount of money and the fund manager handles the buying, selling, and rebalancing of assets, saving you time and effort. While multi-asset funds offer many advantages, there are a few things beginners should also consider. First is risk appetite. Like all investments, multi-asset investments come with a sliding scale of risk. It's important to assess your own appetite and choose a multi-asset fund that aligns with your comfort level. Second, as with all investments, it's important to identify your investment goals. Whether you're focusing on long-term growth, income, or capital preservation, different multi-asset funds will have different focuses, so it's important to choose one that suits your personal goals. Third, consider fund performance. While past performance is not indicative of future results, it can provide insights into how a fund has performed in various market conditions. It's important to make sure that the fund performance is indicative of the fund manager's performance as well. The 10-year track record might be excellent, but if the manager changed last year, that's probably not a good indication of their abilities. The number of assets that multi-asset funds invest in can vary from fund to fund, so it's important to do your research and carefully read the information about each fund. Let's take a look at a few examples. In the mixed investment 20 to 60% shares sector, you have the Elite Radar 91 Global Income Opportunities Fund. This fund focuses solely on a combination of equities and bonds. On the other hand, there's the elite-rated Jupiter Merlin Income Portfolio, which invests in other funds. This is sometimes referred to as a fund of funds. And if you're looking for a bit more risk, you might consider funds that can invest between 40% to 85% in equities, like the BNY Mellon Multi-Asset Balanced or Liontrust Futures Sustainable Managed Funds. Now, if you're seeking flexibility in your investments, you might want to explore the TBWise Multi-Asset Growth Fund. It falls into the IA flexible sector, which means it has the freedom to invest in various types of asset classes without the constraints on equities I mentioned earlier. Lastly, there are multi-asset funds in the volatility managed sector. Similar to the flexible sector, these funds can invest in different asset classes without specific equity constraints. However, their main goal is to manage returns within specific volatility parameters. One example is the Rathbone Strategic Growth Portfolio. In conclusion, multi-asset funds offer diversification, risk management, professional management, and convenience, making them a compelling investment option for beginners. However, remember to consider your risk appetite, investment goals, and fund performance before making your decisions. To find out more about multi-asset investments and start your research today, please visit fundcalibre.com.